Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with the right clips and hair state. Use medium to small curl clips for tighter volume and larger for looser waves. Once hair is damp and detangled, apply a light styling product to aid hold and shrink drying time. Section into 6 to 8 even panels so you can work methodically. This prevents missed roots. Make sure each section is clipped away cleanly while you work the next one, because consistent sectioning builds balanced lift and long-lasting. You now roll and secure each section for maximum volume. Take a strand, roll it upward or away from the scalp to create a pocket at the root, and then place the curl clip over that rolled base so it holds the lift rather than squashing it. Use steady, gentle pressure to secure. Avoid clamping down on the hair shaft. Once clipped, dry on low heat or with a diffuser until completely cool, because cooling sets the shape and preserves the volume you created. You finish by carefully removing clips and shaping the look. Let each clip cool fully before opening it, then release and give roots a gentle shake with your fingers to separate curls and boost lift. Apply a light hairspray or oil to mid-lengths to reduce frizz. Avoid heavy products at the roots so volume stays. If sections flatten later, reclip just the root area. Rough dry with a blow dryer for a few seconds, or apply a targeted root lift product to revive the shape.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.